So this switch has a LED built in, and I want to use that on desktop aviator board or Arduino board, which works with the ground. So this, you put a 12 volts here, a ground here, and when you flip the switch, you transfer 12 volts here, and at the same time the LED goes on. So what I want is opposite. I want the ground to transfer to that other point, and the positive, or 5 volts or 12 volts right here, in my case, is going to be a 5 volt board. So what I had to do is take it apart and reverse the LED, right? So that's the one I already opened those tabs. So you have to pull this out like that. Let's see. So see, positive right here, LED light up here, and that's the ground. So 12 on off. So the 12 goes here to there, and this is the ground for the LED. So I'm going to take this apart. See, there is a little thing here that you see those two down there. Let's put some light. Yeah, see the middle, which there's none here, is the middle of that is connected to the resistor and to the positive for the LED. So this goes, you see the little hole goes right there. So that's the position. This tab here goes in there. So we put that apart. What you do is just solder that 12 volts or 5 volts. Just was, yeah. Take it down. Take that down. So now this one has to go to this side here, and this one has to go to that side. Now you see the positive was coming down here, the negative was going right in that tab. So the tab now is going to hold the positive, so we're going to solder that little tab here. Right here on the positive. Here it is. So we're going to go around, and when we close the case, it's going to be like that. Right? Now the negative is short. So what we're going to do, going to get some resistor legs like that. Going to bend just a little bit like that. Make a little L down there. Put some solder in it. What? That little resistor leg, so I bent it. They're gonna weld it all the way down there because the black's not gonna. So I'm just gonna go like this. You'll see it. Okay, the little leg is already there. So what we're gonna do is bent is this way. This way you can reach the ground. So I'm gonna cut a little short about here. And we're gonna solder the ground to this flag here. Okay, the ground is right there. So this is gonna go like this when we close. So we need to put that flapper inside. That's how we're gonna close, with the flapper down here, so we make sure this is straight, and we just go and close that like that. This has to go in. There's a little recess in here. It is reassemble. So let's connect the ground and test it. What I have here is the 5 volts coming here, ground coming in here, is sensor coming on this top here. So I'm using a desktop aviator board, so I have my first pin here. It goes through the Cat5, and then I plug it in and I transfer that over here. So we can test, see, and you can look at the buttons there. So now it transfer ground. So that's what we needed, instead of transfer 12 volts. Every time it goes up, lights up the switch, the LED, and it flicks the button.